Double integral tayo. Yan. So, gawin natin, no? Para mas mabilis tayo. We proceed doon sa examples, no? So, tapos doon natin i-discuss isa-isahin natin doon. Kasi ang basic naman dito sa double integral, lang naman din to. Basic lang siya, no? Ano ba example natin dito? Module 6, no? Proceed tayo sa examples para mas mabilis tayo. So, double integral. Ayun. So, let's try to solve tatlo. Okay, 3 na integrals. So, unahin ko na yung sa 6.2. 6.2. So, papahanap yung integral, double integral. Okay. 4 minus x minus y. And then dx dy. So, the limits is ito. Yan. Okay? So, yan yung ating given integral. So, paano to pag nakakita kayo ng double integral? So, ang gagawin natin, yung una yung i-integrate dito, yung nasa loob. So, una yung i-integrate ito. Oops. Nagulo ko itong lapis. Yan. Unahin nyo itong nasa loob. Okay? Yan. Oops. Unahin nyo na sa loob. 0 to 2. Okay? So, unahin natin yung nasa loob. So, we integrate first yung 4 minus x minus y dx with limits from 0 to 1. So, dx ito. Okay? So, yan muna tayo. So, yan muna, no? So, we integrate that first. So, we have the integral of 4 minus x minus y dx. Okay? So, hiwalay natin siya, no? So, we have the integral of 4 dx minus the integral of x dx tapos minus the integral of your y dx. Ano mangyari dito? O, integral ng 4 dx. Ay, hindi ko na siya iniwalay para ng simplihan natin. Pwede naman siya na ganito na lang. 4 dx minus x dx minus y dx. Yan. Okay? So, sa una, no. So, 4 dx. So, constant times the integral of dx, that is 4x, di ba? And then next, so we have x dx, di ba? So, integral ng x with respect to x, that is x squared over 2. Okay? Itong kasunod problema natin. We have variable y, tapos your dx. So, with respect to x, no? Problema yan. So, kapag ganyan, okay, integral of y dx. So, mangyari dyan, di ba, with respect to x yung ating integration. Di ba? So, ang gagawin natin, we treat, okay, yung other variable na y as constant. Okay? So, parang constant yung kakalabasan yan. So, ito, magiging y integral of dx. Di ba? So, ang y integral of dx ay, okay, so ang y integral of dx ay yx or xy. Diba? Unahin natin yung x syempre. Okay, so we now have 4x minus x squared over 2 minus xy. So yung ating limits, no? So is from 0 to 1. So take note, we integrated with respect to x, no? With respect to x. So therefore, your limits is in terms of x. So your x is equal to 0 to 1. Yan yung ating limits. So, isa-substitute mo lang siya doon sa x variables natin. Okay? So, we now have, okay, upper limit tayo. So, 4 times 1 minus 1 squared over 2 minus, yung 1 natin, di ba? So, y matitira dito. Minus the lower limit. So, 4 times 0 minus 0 squared over 2 minus yung x natin ay 0, diba? Times y. 0 times y. So, this will cancel. Puro 0 eh. Diba? So, dito, so 4 times 1, so we have, ano yan? Ulit lang ah. So 4 times 1 is 4 minus 1 half minus y. That is 7 halves minus y. Okay? So meron ka ng 7 halves minus y. So yan yung integral ng 4 minus x minus y dx with limits from 0 to 1. Diba? So hindi pa tayo tapos dyan. So meron ka pang natirang yung integral at tapos may limit na 0 to 2, di ba? Itong loob naging na siya, no? 7 halves minus y. Mas meron ka pang dy, di ba? So ito na siya. So meron ka ng 7 halves minus y dy. So kapag double integral, no, you integrate twice. So twice ang integration. Kaya siya double integral, no? So dalawang beses ka mag-integral, mag-integrate. Okay? So, twice ka mag-i-integrate kapag double integral. So, ito yung pangalawa. So, we now have ito, integral, limits from 0 to 2. Itong nasa loob, naging 7 halves over minus y na siya. Okay? And then, dy na. So, apply tayo dito. So, we now have ito, 7 halves dy okay, minus y dy. Answer natin yan. So we now have ano yan? 7 halves dy, that is 7 halves y. Okay? Minus y squared over 2. So from 0 to 2. Okay? So we apply the limits, no? So upper limit, so we have 7 over 2 times 2 minus 2 squared over 2. O pwede natin simplify pa to kung gusto niyo talaga. Simplify natin to. So this is, may halves ka, no? So ilabas natin yung 1 half. 7y minus y squared. Okay, 0 to 2. Okay, so we have 1 half. Tapos, upper limit, 7 times 2 minus 2 squared. Okay? Minus 7 times 0 minus 0 squared. Okay? So, ito, 0. Diba? 7 times 0 is 0. 0 squared is 0. So, 0 na yan, no? So, we have 1 half. Okay? So, 1 half. Tapos, 7 times 2 is 14. Minus yung 2 squared is 4. So, 14 minus 4 is 10. Over 2, we have 5. Okay? So, ang sagot natin dito for the double integral na yan is 5. Okay? So, our answer for 6.2 is so we have, so the double integral, for example, 6.2 is 5. Okay, so ganun lang siya, no? So, isa pang example. So take note ha, kapag ka may so take note, no, kapag ka may ano gusto sabihin? Ito, kapag ganyan siya, no, integral of y dx, no? So yung y natin, other variable, di ba? Kasi with respect to x, eh. So yung dx mo ay, yan, no, dx. So yung y mo ay constant. Okay? So kaya y integral of dx na siya. So ang sagot ay xy. So para ka nag-partial, ano dito? Partial integration. Okay. So you integrate partially with respect to x. So other variables are treated as constants kapag ganyan, no? Ano? So dx siya, diba? With respect to x, ibig sabihin, other variables are constants. So yung y, constant na yan. Okay? So on, later. Okay? Next example natin, 6.3 tayo, yung letter B. Okay? Yan. 6.3B. Yan, 6.3B. So we have ito, pi 0 to pi over 3. Tapos we have another cosine y. Ayan, may cosine y na. So x sine y dx dy. Okay? So yan siya. So unahin natin ulit yung nasa loob. Okay? Unahin natin to ulit. Okay? Yan. Basta yan. Sirata tong pen. Yan. Unahin natin yung sa loob, no? So we have integral of so ito yung limits, no? So x sine y dx. Ano unahin natin? So sabi natin, di ba? We have sine y dito. So yung sine y treated as constant. So we have sine y tapos integral of x dx. So it limits from 0 to cosine y. So integrate natin yan. So we have sine y times x squared over 2. So with limits na yan. Diba? Yan yung limits natin. And then, okay, so take note, yung limits natin ay, okay, lagay ko lang dito ha, this is x, di ba? Kasi we integrated with respect to x. So x is 0 to cosine y. So sa x natin yan is substitute. So we have a sine y times upper limit, no? Labas ko na yung 2. Magiging, labas ko yung 2. So we have 1/2 sine y. Tapos ko na yung over 2. Para matitira sa loob ay x squared na lang. So we have upper limit cosine y squared o cosine squared y yan. Okay? Cosine squared y minus 0 squared. Okay? So this is now 1/2 cosine squared y sine y. Okay? So yan yung answer for the integral of x sine y dx, di ba? So we have this. Okay? So ang kasunod, okay, ito na. Yung from 0 to pi over 3. And then yung sagot natin, no, 1/2 cosine squared y sine y dy. Okay? Siya. Okay? So, yan siya, no? So, integral of 1/2 cosine squared y sine y dy. Okay, so ang problema natin dito, we can, yung constant na 1/2, ilabas natin, no? So, 1/2 integral of 0 to pi over 2 pi third over 3. So, cosine squared y sine y dy. Okay, so dito, okay, we can let, okay, mag-let tayo dito, no, ng u. Mag-u substitution tayo. So we let u, that is equal to cosine y, di ba? And then du, o derivative ng cosine y is negative sine y dy. Okay? Or we have sine y dy is negative du. Di ba? So substitute natin yan dito. So we now have 1/2 integral of 0 to pi over 3. Yung cosine y is u. So we have squared. Sine y dy is negative du. Okay? So magiging negative 1/2 integral of u squared du. Okay? Ano mangyayari dyan ngayon? So we now have 1/2. Okay, ano yung u squared na yan? So we have, nag-iiba pala yung limit niya, no? Hindi siya pi over 3. O sige lang. Ito ay, yung pi over 3 natin ay y pa. Okay. Naka-y pa to. Okay lang. Nag-let kasi tayo eh. Okay. Kaya mo na isama yung limits. Okay. So, yan. Kasi pag nag-change tayo ng variable, di ba, mapapalitan din yung limits natin based doon sa u natin. Okay? So, umaya natin baguhin yan. Wala natin baguhin yan kasi magbabalik din tayo to y. So, we now have u squared is u cubed over 3. Okay? So, back substitute. So, we have 1/2 times 1/3 is 1/6. Tapos, u cube is yung u cube cosine cube y. Okay? So with limits from, balik natin yung limits, 0 to pi over 3. So yan siya, no? So we have upper limit minus the lower limit. So we have 1/6 cosine cube tapos pi over 3 minus cosine cube 0. Okay? So, ang sagot natin for this, kalimutan ko yung negative, no? Tama ko yung negative. Yan, negative. Wala ka pansin sa inyo, no? Negative. Yan. So, we have, ang sagot ay 7/48. So, the answer for this double integral is 7/48.